RPA stands for Robotic Process Automation. And what does that actually mean? Many of us have been automating processes for years, whether it's using an Excel spreadsheet and doing a VLOOKUP, or perhaps even using an Access database or an ERP system to get data from one place to another. RPA is different in this respect. It allows you to go from one application to another. So for example, I can extract data from an SAP system by logging on. I can put that data into an Excel spreadsheet. I can save it to SharePoint, and then I can send it via an email. RPA allows you to basically mimic a user within a system to complete an activity. There are two things that I think make this type of technology very pertinent. First, this industry over the last 3 years has undergone one of the most significant economic challenges in its history. And we've seen a lot of workforce reductions as a result of that. The industry's now learned how to survive, at least the companies that are still here, with the current price of oil. As transactions start to increase and business starts to get better, what they want to try to avoid is bringing on new talent to do those tedious, monotonous, repetitive tasks. Instead, what most industries are really focused on is how do I allow automation to take that activity so I can handle the additional volume, and then I can use my talent to do the more complex, interesting work that's remaining in the organization. Now, the second reason a lot of companies, in addition to that cost avoidance of handling new work, are looking at RPA is for control. And you think about this industry. This industry works in almost every possible environment in the world, including some of the most difficult frontier countries you possibly can imagine under tough conditions. Having standard ways of doing things, making sure that the right data is in at the right point in time is incredibly important to not only help simplify processes, but to get the right data at the right time to people. And bots can also really help with that type of quality control across the organization. RPA is an incredibly exciting technology, and many people want to jump on the boat because it's fast to implement. Sometimes with just in a matter of a couple weeks, you can get an RPA up and running. But before you do that, it's important to think about 5 key things. First, business case. What is my business case of the benefit the RPA is generating, as well as the total cost of ownership? Second, am I truly optimizing my process to be automated? And that can be through RPA, but it can also be just better using the technologies you currently have. Third, how am I managing the bots? A bot workforce needs the same type of management that you have today in many ways. Fourth, roles and responsibilities will change with the people in your organization. How are you changing the operating model to meet the new workloads that RPA will create, but also to make sure that RPA can be part of the co-workers that you have within an organization. And then finally, really thinking about how to scale RPA effectively and throughout the organization.